It is a Tuesdays. And y'all know what happens on Tuesdays. It is the Chaos Day. What I mean by that? I mean, it's the VRA Webcam Chaos Day. Because it's always chaotic, damn it! Welcome everyone to the VRA Webcam Day of Day. Which should be called VRA Tuesdays. Yes. VRA Tuesdays. I remember that. That's the new name of the stream. Why did I call it VRA Webcam Div? It's VRA Tuesdays, damn it. But it works. It's the same thing for now. But yeah, I'll be working a bit on the webcam today. So VRA Tuesdays. Webcam dev. Lag and test edition. There you go. Bam. Modified. And yeah, how y'all doing? I hope y'all doing good in this beautiful Tuesday evening, or night, or day, or morning. Whatever time it is for you. So, yeah. Wait, just break some stuff on the side. There you go. And go big a blue bird. Death bird. It's bird time. And I'm also joined by Blackout in the Discord. Say hello, Blackout.
Hi.
There you go.
Hi, bird.
That took a what? Took a bit of processing bird brain. I have to process that one.
I'm sorry, my bird brain's slow.
Bird brain alert. Bird brain alert. But yeah, I'm joined by Blackout. E.
Oi.
Okay, cuddly burbs.
Fluffy birds.
Fluffy burbs. Fluffy burb alert.
The flu.
Fluffy burb alert.
Fluffy bird.
Fluffy burbs. Bye, today is the webcam day. Let me, still go near my arm. I need to go work my screen preview on the side, which I did not have the time to open. Because I suck at time management.
Also, Fluffy bird. I'm in danger.
Yeah, I broke my arm.
Oh no! Oh no!
I kind of broke my arm there. That's a little bit problem. Now I'm gonna go up here and I don't know why I'm gonna break up. There goes my other arm.
I can't tell if you're speaking French or just going blah blah blah.
I can confirm it's gonna be the latter. Yeah, the thing is, today I'm gonna need to go and try some optimizations for the webcam. As I noticed a bit of an issue in terms of performance last time. And by last time, I don't mean the last VRA webcam dev. By that I mean during the Beat Saber session of last Friday. So the idea, when I was playing OST 5 last Friday, was to have, because the VRA webcam now has full body tracking, not full body tracking yet, but VR support with controllers, I was thinking maybe use this as like the webcam during the Beat Saber session. But I noticed, at least with Pimax, a massive amount of lag. And I want to see if I can actually fix that. I'm wondering, honestly, I'm wondering if it's a Pimax issue or a webcam issue. But unfortunately, I can't really test because my index is currently being shipped back for replacement. So I don't have an index at the moment. I mean, I have a Reverb G2, but yeah, let's just say the CV implementation on that is not the best, and I don't like the controls either. But yeah, I'm gonna have to take a look at that. Well, there goes my arm as well.
Oh my gosh.
I need to shut the window off because, yeah, as my laptop, which is my stream preview, it's a little bit too old to update Windows, but Windows keeps trying to update, and it says like, if you couldn't install the updates, click here to learn more. I click on it, or I Alt F4 it, or escape. I close the window, whatever mean, and it pops the settings window saying, hey, you gotta update. And then I try to update,
Oh my gosh.
and it says one of your drivers cannot be updated, does not support the next version, and it's a driver I can't update, so that means I won't be able to install that update at all. But every time I restart that computer, it still gives me the message because Windows is a jerk and still wants to update.
Windows!
Windows, stop forcing the update upon us. Anyway.
Stop it. We want to.
That's a bit off topic, and I do have another off topic subject that I've just found out today, but yeah, let's focus on the webcam for now.
Let's focus.
So, the webcam itself. So right now, if you're wondering, I've got my Pimax connected, because that's the only headset that really works right now. I mean, I do have my old Vive, but it is so old that what happened? Oh, I'm guessing I opened up Pimax. That I'm guessing, like, the Vive that I have, the OG Vive, is so old that, you know the Velcro part that you attach the face gasket onto?
No.
I mean, do you know? Right, on Oculus Quest and on Index you have like the plastic one, but on original Vive, it's like Velcro, so you can interswap it. Well, that Velcro, like on the headset itself, is now completely off of it. Like it completely went out of sync. Also, I opened up Pimax, but I've got an interesting issue with the Pimax, not gonna lie. I have an interesting issue. I guess, on the topic of the webcam dev and everything, I need to put up the Pimax, but I'm gonna pop my webcam for a second. Just to show you quick. Into init IO. Come on, webcam, detect. I have an interesting issue, and it only happens when I first boot it up after I restart. Okay, webcam, where are you? Here's one. Hey, man, please. There you go. Why is it so big? Why is it so big? Alright. There we go. Alright, so the issue I'm encountering. So this is my Pimax. Alright. At first boot, it looks fine right now. Like, just like this. But if you look inside, the epilepsy warning looks like this. For some reason. I don't know why it does this.
Is that to the Pimax?
That's to the Pimax. Like, I don't know why it does this. But then take a look. I'm gonna go into Pimax software. Press reboot device. It's off. And I actually won't restart. Like, it's gonna reconnect again. But it's not gonna restart. Oh no, it did restart. Okay, usually I have to click restart service, but this time I didn't have to. And would you look at that?
Oh wow.
That's called a dumb headset for you. But to be fair, the FOV you gain on this is just completely ridiculous. Like, look at those lenses. It's like ridiculous what you gain on Pimax.
I mean, like the only headset that I know that has like a super sharp res is the G2. And you're patting it.
I mean G2, but technically this is a little less sharp than the G2, and I can confirm that. Like if you don't know, if you haven't seen my specs and everything, every headset I have, I do have a G2.
Yeah,
But yeah, I can confirm this is less sharp than G2.
I still want to try the G2 though, so I can like see myself.
Like, it's a decent headset, but the control tracking is not the best.
But I still kind of want to look into the G2 to see the sharp resolution.
And hold up a second, I just realized I broke my webcam. But
Oh no, why are you in the nighttime?
yeah, there's a scene I deleted. But the thing is, I did not delete it like from the references. So if I swap to that scene, I soft lock the webcam. Even after I restart, I have to force reset it. That's the old webcam. It's not the new one. The new one is future proof. But yeah, so why I want to connect a Pimax or whatever headset I want, that's because I'm gonna need it actually to test VR applications. So I'm gonna have to close off of Steam VR for this and restart. Yeah, so bye the webcam.
Oh, buddy.
Gonna have to start Steam VR.
I...
Bye, Barb. And here, I will boot up the new webcam. So let me quickly find it. It should be in here. Builds. Okay, no, it's not this one. It's gonna be this one. I was about to open my old webcam again. I want this one, I think. I think it's gonna be that one. Is it going to be? Yeah, it's gonna be that one. All right. So I got this, and I'm gonna go grab my controllers. Over there. So I need to quickly remove my headphones. I'll BRB.
Probably meanwhile, I'm gonna go get a snacky.
Get them open. And in theory, if I put this like that, I don't hear you by the way, because oh boy, yeah, I'm encountering some frame rate issues. Hold on a second, I'll go here. Lady Master, VR, can you stop messing up my windows? Dev content.
The setup is currently in progress.
Click. 2. Thank you. Outside.
Yo.
There.
Yo.
Hold up a second. I need to shut my mic.
should do for now, and then I need to... No, I did not want to drag this in there, thank you very much. And swap this
Why?
to this. Okay, so I should be able to hear you back up now.
Hello, hello, hello.
Dang
1,
it,
2, 1,
hold
2,
up a
tweet, tweet,
second, it's
tweet.
coming. Speakers. There we go, now I should be able to hear you.
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
There
Tweet.
we
1, 2,
go.
1, 2, tweet, tweet, tweet. Clap, clap.
Ah, very good. So, yeah, right now, I am in VR. I don't know how it looks on the actual webcam itself. Let me pop a like this overlay. Windows list, set content to display 2, so I can see maybe OBS. Yeah, it does look pretty decent actually. It's not too bad. Why am I looking that high up? I just realized. Why am I looking that high up? Am I looking straight? No, it's not straight. Hold up a second, that's weird. As I said, this needs like performance optimization and everything, but like it does seem to work. Okay, the pen figures did not work. But the rest seems to work fine. Yeah, the hand is like correctly captured, so that's good. But if I look straight, I'm like completely crooked. That's weird. Let me try to actually swap. I think it's gonna be just. No, I need to use a shortcut. It's gonna be not this, but this. Did I press the right one? I pressed the right one. It did not swap. Can you swap, please? And this one, this one, this one. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna swap back to this. Okay, calibrates like with the okay, I need to look straight then. Yeah, I need to look straight. That is curious. That is interesting, to say the least. What is actually I just noticed. Where the heck is Derail? There it is. And if I click outside, all right. So now I am in actual VR. Hello. Hey, I mean VR. With the exact same application, the VRA Webcam. So that is like super cool that you can do that. And I plan to integrate like gesture support for like the hands. Like, where's the camera? There's the camera. So like the hands, there's no finger gestures at the moment. Ow, I hit the mic for 380. But yeah, I plan to add these in the future. But the problem I have encountered, because right now it seems like fine. If I look at my GPU performance, it's like pretty fine. Like GPU frame time, it's like under 1 millisecond. There's nothing going on. But the moment I started Beat Saber last time, it started causing issues. And I'm wondering if it was because I was on the upscale mode. I'm wondering. Oh, you know what? Wait, hold up a second. Now I'm doing like fine 90 hertz. Now I'm actually doing fine 90 hertz.
Wait, 90 hertz?
I'm doing the 90 hertz fine now. What? Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. That is webcam excuse me.
Oh, 90 hertz?
I'm doing fine now. What the heck? excuse me. Yeah, not understanding. Well, now I'm seeing the dips a little bit. Well, because I clicked outside the game. If I click back in the game... Okay, now I'm fine. Like, does it look smooth on the live stream? Like on Twitter, does it look smooth? Like both the webcam and me? Like out?
Yeah.
Does it look smooth on the webcam and... That's my question now.
Try shaking the blue, Saber.
Hold on a second, I'm gonna boost your voice because for some reason your voice became like way quieter.
Oh yeah, because I switched to my MacBook because I was feeling like a little tired, so I'm like just laying down and doing my thing.
Thanks man, let me boost you up a little bit.
Yeah.
But how does it
Try shaking the blue like as fast as you can. It's having
should I try a song?
not
just to
choppy. It's not choppy, but I can definitely see like the frame rate.
see? Like does it look like it like lag spikes? Do you know what lag spikes are?
Yeah, I know what lag spikes are. Yeah.
Do you see any lag spikes? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna try one song, and you tell me if there's any lag spikes. All right?
Alrighty.
And for that, what better than one of the OST5 songs? And you tell me if it looks good as well on the webcam, like when I play.
Okie dokie. Okie dokie.
I really want to do this one again.
Oh my god. You says.
I'll see if the performance is good.
So far, no lag spikes.
Okay, good.
I did like see a bit of small bit of lag spikes. Probably the first 30 seconds of the song. Looks good. This kind of looks like you're doing the cha-cha.
Man, I hope the webcam looks good. unexpected Beat Saber session. But did it look good on the stream? That's the question.
It looked good. Like probably in the first 30 seconds of the song, I think I might have saw a little bit of lag spikes.
Yeah, honestly, I had like 0 issues in the game. I had 0 issues. So that tells me that the webcam actually doesn't really need much optimization. Now I'm curious actually, was it the Pimax issue? Because I'm starting to think last time was a Pimax issue. That by putting it on upscale mode to have like a full 110 FPS, it actually messed up with the game and everything. So I want to try that next. So let me go back up the music and quit out the Saber. But man, I'm so happy with how the webcam looks actually. Like, I'm looking on the side here. It's like pretty good. Like, how do I look when? Yeah, that works. Like my VR window's like here, so I can like see my monitor. It looks pretty decent, not gonna lie. It's almost like it's standalone VRChat app. Almost. Standalone. But instead of using VRChat to play a 2D game, you're using a VR overlay to play a VR game as a streamer. Like, I know some other webcams like VC Face can do this, but not natively. You have to actually download a separate plugin for it. This app, the one I'm making, is like native, so that is super cool to see it actually work like that. Like if I put the full cam, like right now I'm like in a full sky environment, but I could definitely change it to like the room and everything. So let me just pop my if I can pop my Windows list, thank you so very much. And for a background, it was what shortcut? It was, I think, this and this, yeah. So if I put it in this room, well, actually, let me use one of the default ones. So background and dark. There we go. Kick outside. No hitch from the GPU on this side. How does it look from another perspective? Yeah, I'm in the wall right now. If I go this way, I can put my head in the wall. That's why I'm getting I'm just going in the water. I wonder. Oh my god, isn't that sweet? I think it's like super close to my actual wall. It's not quite there, but that's my wall. I mean, not there, there's like no wall for me there. And there's no wall for sure this way. I'm just gonna go in the wall, goodbye. Where am I? I don't even know. Yeah, I'm just gone, I'm just in the wall. What the hello? I'm just in the wall. Hey, black cow.
Yeah, I know.
Hello. I'm just in the wall. Hi. Oh boy. Okay, I'm running too fast. But man, yeah, it does seem to work pretty well, not gonna lie. I thought I really need to try with the other mode of Pimax. So I think it was probably a Pimax issue that was just completely drunk. So, yeah, hold on a second while I quickly restart Pimax and Steam VR at this point. So that means also the webcam.
Yo.
Hey, Blackout.
Okay, there you go. My microphone, the noise reduction was like.
Ah. Okay, let me try upscaling mode. This. I was just in the wall. Okay, VR started by itself. Screw you. Okay, Pimax is restarted. Okay, I'm gonna restart Steam VR and see if that was the issue. So Steam VR is started. Let's start the webcam again as a desktop app. And again, I'm gonna need to do it while looking straight ahead. This key and then that. That should be the, yeah, okay, good. All right. So now I am back into the Valley farm. Okay, controller 1, controller 2. Gonna have to restart over your toolkit. Fail to start app, well done. Where is it? Library. VR. Scroll down. Come on, I see Hyperbolica in my library, which is what I'm gonna play next Friday. So this Friday I'm gonna play Hyperbolica, but have a vote in my Discord. So go in my Discord, and there is a poll in the announcements saying, do you want to see the 2D mode it was intended for, or do you want me to try the VR mode straight up? Because that's my question, because I know it was originally designed for 2D, but there is a VR mode available, and I'm kind of curious to try it. Okay, there you go. I just want to see, does the lip sync work? Yeah, it does work. Okay, so it's just because the Pimax mic is very quiet. Like if I were to boost it up, there you go. Now that would be the correct volume. Okay, yeah, now the lip sync works. All right. But yeah, now I am in the 110 Hz mode of the Pimax ATX. So that is upscaled from 1440p. And that apparently caused issues last time. So I'm going to do the same test. I'm going to go in this view and play Beat Saber again. But this time, let's see if... Okay, yeah, it seems indeed maybe... Okay, I'm seeing some hitching, so yeah, it's probably a 110 Hz problem. Because now I'm seeing hitching. I feel some hitches. I wonder if I click on the webcam. Okay, now okay, I just want to die now. Let me click out the webcam. Now I'm seeing a lot of hitches in Beat Saber. And if I click on Beat Saber itself, I am seeing hitches. Okay, so it was indeed a 110 Hz mode of the Pimax, the problem. Because now I am seeing hitches. Wondering if it's going to be in-game as well. So I'm going to go back in the song and just see. Because I'm curious. Yeah, okay, I'm seeing the hitches here too. Yeah, I'm seeing the hitches, so... I'm seeing the hitches as well. So yeah, it's definitely a 110 Hz mode problem. It is a 110 Hz mode issue. Well, okay then. So if you want to use the webcam with Pimax, don't go the upscale mode because you're gonna have issues. But now I need to try out other games and see how that performs with the webcam. But I'm actually wondering, because right now, the webcam is probably like perfectly smooth. Yeah, it is perfectly smooth. But I'm wondering, if I go on a game that... first off, I'm going to turn off the upscale mode, because that upscale mode, like, it works, but without the webcam. Yeah, there. Alright, let me go and turn off that mode. Are you still there, Blackout? Muted. Alright, that makes sense. So let me go and disable upscaling. Alright. Alright, so that is restarted. I'm gonna have to restart again the Steam VR. Where the heck is Steam VR gone? Steam VR just gone. Well, okay then. Start Steam VR. Come on, Steam VR. There you are. And then we also boot up the webcam again. Let me look straight. Alright. Yeah. Alright. So now it should still be fine. Am I seeing hitches? In theory, if my theory is correct, I shouldn't see hitches. And I do not see a single bit of a hitch. At all. So that is a Pimax issue. That is indeed a Pimax upscaling issue with the AKX. Interesting. Okay, I guess let me quickly go and change back the background to something a bit more lit. Here you go. There we go. So now it should be good. Now I'm curious. If, let's go and see what happens if I boot up something a bit more intensive, like, let's say Derail Valley. Because that does reduce the frame rate a lot. So now I'm curious. I'm going to take the webcam, slam it to the side. Here, and let's see if the webcam actually lags whatsoever. So am I looking straight? Yeah, I'm looking straight now. Yeah, I'm just waiting for Derail Valley to boot. Just gonna take a little bit. Oh, little big freeze. Oh, that. Okay, yeah, I think it lags the webcam as well. I just noticed. It completely froze up the dynamics and everything. Oh boy. Oh, big lag. Okay, but when the games boot up, okay, let's see. Where the heck am I? Derail Valley, are you okay? Derail Valley, are you okay? What is this? Well, okay then. Oh, what the heck? When I pause, I see stuff, but when what the heck? That is so strange. What rendering mode am I in? I don't know. They actually reduced the super assembling. %. There we go. Okay, and I think it lags the entire webcam too. Yeah, the whole stream's lagging. Okay, let me try to unfocus the game instead. Okay, game's lagging quite a bit though. Oh, like, oh boy, 19 FPS, oh boy. Let me go here. Okay, this is a bit more bearable. But looks kind of low res. What rendering mode am I in on the Pimax? I'm really feeling like this is a Pimax problem. Let me go to the Pimax settings quick. What rendering mode am I in? Am I in the common settings? No, I'm not in compatible power production. I'm in Derail Valley. You know the train game? Oh dear, you became a robot. Okay, I can't actually go and click on any of this. Okay, the Pimax software is a little bit glitched with yeah, I don't know. This does not look good. I wonder. Yeah, I like Spice because now Derail Valley is focused. But the moment I unfocus Derail Valley, now it's good. I mean, it lags at like 27, 28 FPS. I wonder what would happen if I went to like this mode. I might need to restart the game actually. But I'm doing like 28 FPS. Yeah, it's not bad per se. But yeah, I guess it's just a Pimax thing, right? Because yeah, there's not much I can do really. Because my index is being replaced at the moment. Let me actually pop a quick window so I can kind of see what's going on. Alright. Oh, can I make it full HMD? That way it's going to be easier for me to tell what's going on. Let me actually click on that, so that way this window is going to be like on this corner of my eye. Or maybe, I don't know where to put it actually. I really don't know where to put it. Probably here. And I'll put another window. Which Windows lists I want to be the VRA cam. Okay, now I can kind of see what's going on. So Windows settings, bang. Okay, now I can see what's going on my webcam on this corner of my screen. And honestly, it's not half bad. Like, in terms of the performance, I mean, to be fair, like, I could be pointing in this direction without knowing that my mom is in the camera. So that's a bit problematic. But it's not too bad. Okay, of course, the moment I start, like, hitting, like, laggy environment is gonna be problematic, but apart from that blackout, does it look decently smooth on the stream? Like in terms of like choppiness, I mean. Like performance aside, because Pimax is Pimax. How is it like? You're very quiet at the moment. Actually, I think maybe the noise reduction is actually impacting this. Maybe you can try turning it off. Well, that's because I'm doing 20 FPS, I think. I think I'm... Let me try and yank out the resolution to like 20%. So now I'm doing 30 frames a bit everywhere, so it's a bit better. Very low res, but quite a bit better. Yeah, okay, on the stream I'm looking, I just looked a little bit. Let me just do some movement here. I'm just walking and whatever I'm doing. Okay, how does it look on the stream? It's not too bad. It's actually really not too bad. Knowing that this is like quite the intensive game. And like that's cool with like this setup here, because like for example, like I could go like in the train. For example, set up my webcam to be like here. And where's actually my center of the room? Okay, so yeah, I might have to move the entire webcam a bit. But hold up. My center is like here. So I could be like here. And you could actually see me do stuff like, for example, bang, 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 turn off the brake. Actually, I need to turn on the engine, turn off the brakes, and then you could see me like do like movements, like for example, put on the throttle or put on the reverse and things like that. That's actually sick having a webcam like that. Also, why the heck is the train not moving? Actually, why is it not moving? Oh, that's on. That's not on. Ah, because this is the... There you go. There you go, now I'm moving. For example. Like, slam on the brakes. Like, right? Like having it like native like this inside the app, like it can do like seated, it can do just a tracker on your head, it can do like full on VR. That's actually very, very useful. And I'm noticing like the game camera, it's over there, is not well cropped. But that's something from my stream. It's not like the webcam itself. It's just that it's badly set up on my end. But yeah, that's Pimax for you. But yeah, I guess that's one of the example of the more intensive games. which works decently well, and knowing it runs on Pimax, kinda. Let's try another one. Let's see. I don't know. There's so many VR games possible. I mean, I could go in VRChat. So now the smooth thingy applies. Okay, never mind. Let me actually go and modify this. I don't like it. I hate it so bad. The smooth thingy edit. I hate it. They also like the webcam. It does not like the webcam, surprisingly. There you go. And where's my mouse? I lost my mouse. I love losing my mouse. Play. Okay, good. Let me see another game I could test. I wonder if I'm doing the Steam VR menu, does it actually pause the... No, okay, no. It pauses... It doesn't pause the headset, but it pauses the controllers. And I think I know why. And I'm gonna get to that probably today. Because I had to do this... Actually, I had to do the same thing with the head camera. But I'll see if that's actually the fix or not. Let's try something like... I need something that's decently intensive. To be fair, VRChat would be completely useless. I mean, to be fair, not super useless. Because the thing is, with VRChat... to actually do a setup like you see here, you would actually need to like have your Steam VR set in another way. Like you'd actually need to have the main game window would be Steam VR, and then the game window itself will be the webcam because that's the output camera. But with this, yeah, and most streamers do as well. But the problem with that is that you can actually see like the desktop windows. And in some cases, you would not want to have that. So in this case, like if I stream like that, is it lagging for anything? It does not lag. Does it lag with the webcam? Let me just do some test movements on the stream. Let me see. It's not lagging at all, actually. Holy crap. And I'm doing 52 FPS. I wonder if... I wonder. Like, what's the resolution? It's set to 20. Let me go back to, like, the usual res that I go for. Okay, now I'm starting to feel a bit of the lag. Wondering if that's webcam related or if that's VRChat related. Alright. Let me actually see. So if I go here and shut off the webcam. And now I'm doing a solid... Yeah, 36 FPS solid. Let me quickly boot up the webcam again. So 36 FPS solid down to 20 FPS. Okay, so I'm losing like half of my frames. Probably Pimax related, if I'm gonna be honest. If I'm gonna be honest, it's Pimax related, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. Pretty sure. But yeah, I guess that's still a good test. Pretty good test. But yeah, I'm guessing if I turn on mirror, it would actually kill everything. Oh dear, yeah, mirror just dies. So I'm doing now a solid 14 FPS. Alright, let's go. I guess you can also see with the Pimax how it completely messes up, like it just stretch. Stretch. Just complete stretch of everything. Jesus. And I'm guessing if I were to click out the window, it would be even worse. Oh no, you know what? Because I'm outside the window. If I were to click on the VRChat window itself. Okay, no, if I click on the VRChat window itself, I'm at 30 FPS. Okay, never mind. But does the stream lag? That is the question. Yeah, it does lag. Okay, well, that's that's an issue. But in the meantime, I guess just straight and then just stretchy burb at 5 FPS. Yeah, so I have to click out the window to have the smooth stream, but then VRChat lags like crazy. Because usually I would use the index for streaming, but I'm running Pimax at the moment because it's my only headset. So back to 20% res you go, capiche. Also, this needs to go back to set window to bam. Not this one. This one. There we go. That way I see what the heck I'm doing. Right. Well, I mean, it's a success. Like, let's not hide the fact that this works. Like, where's the camera over there? This works, but unfortunately, with Pimax, it causes issues with performance. Which I had to expect, not gonna lie, but still sad to see. But yeah, I guess like usually I would not, as I said, I would not use Pimax for streaming. I would actually use something else like Index. But yeah, I have to deal with whatever is here. But I know that if it runs well with Pimax, it's gonna run well with any headset. That's for sure, though. So VRChat so far kinda, but very hit and miss. Like without mirror, I'm actually running pretty well. Without mirror, it's pretty fine, which is nice. What would be next? I mean, I guess I saw one of my friends on. I wonder if if I would quickly have. I wonder. Just want to see. It's been a while since I've seen that bean, I guess, while I'm here. I'm gonna have a bit of time to actually dev on it a little bit, but for now I'm actually just testing things. I mean, I called this stream just, like, Test and Lag Edition. I guess there's a good reason for it. Let's see if they not join. I'm gonna go on to the next game. What's the camera? I'm gonna go on to the next game. Or actually start fixing some of the stuff. Like, for example, the head does not seem to be calibrated well. Let me see, actually. Yeah, the head is not calibrated well. This is my forward right now. So, yeah. That's unfortunate. Alright. I guess it's gonna be time for me to go and fix stuff. So let me exit VRChat in a moment. Alright. Well, I mean, so far, it's pretty successful. Not gonna lie, this is actually pretty nice. This is actually very good. And VRChat does not want to quit. VRChat, can you please quit? Yeah, let me set my windows. I guess I can stay on the Pimax in headset because I'm gonna be doing in headset stuff. That makes sense. And I guess I can swap to the good mic as well. So over here. Bam. Alright. So good mic. So first issue to fix. On the webcam, there was an entire hour session of just testing it. But now it's actually time for debugging. So the first issue, and let me actually go in, like, VR seated. There you go, VR seated mode. First issue that you might notice is that I'm looking straight right now. This is not calibrated well. Definitely not. Also, I'm noticing some severe lag spike here. I wonder if no, it's okay, just an headset. What is it on stream too? It's just an headset outage, just some lag spikes in headset. So that's the first issue, but what I'm noticing is that if I swap avatar and then back, now my head is correct. So that is interesting. Very interesting issue. Why am I having those lag spikes now? Is it a webcam causing this? No, it's not a webcam, it's something with something. Can you tell me something, anything? Okay, no, it is webcam. Memory leak? Okay, now I don't have any issues. Okay, that's weird. Okay, well, fine for now. Okay, well, I'm gonna stay in headset for a little bit. It does look fine here. So let's see what's going on. So first off, head looking is wrong. So if I were to press play and look this direction, what's nice with the Pimax is that I can actually see, like, on my field of view on the side. Okay, yeah, so it does not calibrate straight. And that's probably because of the temporary fix I applied last time. Because I did, as I said, I don't think I did, I said last time, but I don't know, but I did go and change one bit of code for the SteamVR camera. Instead of using the track pulse driver, I'm using a SteamVR tracked object instead. Which is what right now tracks the camera. Now my question is, like, does this properly deactivate? Also, I'm going to disable maximize on play because that's annoying. I just want to see. It adds a track pulse driver because I deleted the old one. Aha! I wonder if I were to revert this and turn it off, and then where is it? Yeah, I did set it to none, so that way it's not gonna touch it. Let me just see if it enables back. Hopefully not. It does not. But still, it still did not calibrate right. So let me swap avatar. It does disable it. Wait, so for the first bit... What? It's like... Okay, for the first bit, it actually does not disable it. But for the second one, it does. But, huh. That is interesting. Very interesting issue. Because the goal will have to be in there then. Open a Visual Studio. Man, having such a massive FOV is absolutely amazing. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna swap to regular burb. My burb. There we go. My burb. Alright. So, yeah, let's see. Okay. Let me just pop, is actually... Am I really looking that far? I guess I am. It does not feel like I'm turning that far. Well then, I guess that's just how it is. Yeah. And where is Visual Studio? There it is. Bam. Ah, right. Alright, with this, alright. So, okay, where's the main controller? Let's see what's going on here. So, outside outside disable tracking. Center enable tracking. So, disable tracking. It should disable. So, if this is set, enable true. Am I running into any errors in music? Let me check. Wider. No errors, alright, so there is indeed no errors. So I'll quickly do this. And do this here too. And do this here too. Like that. So with that, I can actually remove either of these and it's gonna work. Oh, you know what? Did I do it for VRM but not for... Which one did I do the thing for? Actually, it's probably a cold thing. It's probably a cold thingy. Huh. Let me quickly save this. And go to Unity again. And let me see what happens if I do VRM instead. So let me load the VRM. not gonna be the right one. Okay, no, it does have the same issue. It does have the same issue. If I were to do this and start my head like this, maybe I just did it for VRM then. Let me try again. With the other one. No, this one's crooked. What the heck? Oh, did I bug you, out? Oh no, I clicked somewhere. Oh my god, I clicked somewhere. No, well. What? What happened? What did I do? Why did I hit myself double? What? Excuse me? That is, curious. Why is it doing that? Is this?
Is this? What? Excuse me. Let me just close this. What happened? Wait, is this Unity? Wait, hold up a sec. Maybe they did this. What? Okay, Unity just completely crashed. Well then. Okay. That is something, I guess. What? Hold on a second. The system audio does not pick up that. But I hear myself double. What? Excuse me. What? Oh, then what happened to the webcam? Oh no. Did I break it? I think I broke it. It definitely broke. That is something. Oh yeah, also there's no music playing. There it is. But I still hear myself double. Is it? Yeah, now it picks it up. Bruh. What? No, you. Stop. Come on. E. Just E. Back. Let me try to restart Unity. This point. I need to. Or maybe this. Hash. No, what? It could be this. Hash. What did my webcam do? Literally, I closed off the webcam and now it's fine. Well, okay. What an interesting behavior. Let me restart it. What happened there? Why did I hear myself double? Oh dear. What happened? I think I completely barked it. Is it? No. Nah, it's fine. It's perfectly fine. Webcam, what did you do? Oh, like webcam, really? What did you do? No, really, what did you do? I can't even do my expert day. What did you do, webcam? You completely broke on me. That is an interesting problem that just arose. What did they import? They opened the TM text mesh pro importer. Allow me boot up the webcam. Let's see if I lost my calibration and everything. I hope not. I did not. Okay, good. Ah, that's what the re-importing did. That's what, Nah, it's not an overlay anymore. Let me guess, because in the open VR, it's set to be open VR. Out of play mode. Open VR. No, I want it to be overlay, thank you very much. No mirror view. Bam. Now it should boot up as overlay. Again. Alright, good. Yeah, I could see it turn into, like, a non-overlay, because everything turned pitch black. And it started to lag. Okay, so there is definitely something going on. Which is interesting. With this setup. Use this. Reload again. Shut up, Visual Studio. Let me just code. Stop importing. Stop loading. Oh, there goes Visual Studio. Turned black for a sec. It was not shown on screen, but it says up on the stream, but it turned black for a sec. But actually, okay, so enable tracking, like these functions work. I know they work. So there is something with the loader itself that does not want to work well. With the head position. So like the head position is fine. It's the rotation that is not. Maybe I can use this object. You know what? I could potentially use that object to set the rotation fine. I'm not sure. I'm setting this. to actually position these before this is set up. And a conclusion. Target hand. Local position. It should work. Like, it works the same for both. That is interesting. That is interesting. Now I'm actually wondering something. Did I actually break the entire calibration, or is it really just a webcam like VR part that's broken? That's my question. So I'm gonna just put the tracker on my, just on the top of my head, and see what the heck happens. So let me go to calibration, not calibration. I want to go to general tracking method. Let me just go to tracker mode. So now it's just sitting on top of my head. I just want to see. So it's set up correctly now. If I have to go like this, and I swapped avatars. Yeah, that works perfectly fine. Like, that rotates correctly. Now if I were to go to HMD or VR, oh, that's good. Let's go with this and went this way and go to VR. Yeah, it does work well. If I swap it back, what the heck? I wonder if I... Okay, let me just go like one that's gonna break it. Yes, that is broken. We go to tracker. Ah! It's also broken. What? It is also broken like that. That's why, well, there goes the tracker. Yeah, so yeah, the back of the tracker is supposed to be like this. Yeah, this is my forward right now. But if I switch avatar and back, that's fine. Huh. Yeah, I'm really wondering what the heck is going on here. So if I set it to the tracker, it's fine. If I set it to the camera, it's not fine. So that must be something in the code itself. 100%. 100% it's in there. Is there any other places I'm using this? No. Actually, no, I'm just noticing. I'm setting a parent there. That indeed works. There's no other places I'm using to track ahead. What the heck is going on? The apparent is this. I'm setting the local position back to 0. You know what I could do as a workaround? I could potentially... Oop, that's my... yank this bit out. Drop this down there. And I'm gonna set up as usual with just tracker head. And after everything here, I could do, like, if this is the case, I want to do this because now everything is parented, right? So I want to execute this bit of code. Coding from within VR. That should be fantastic, huh? So I want to do this bit of code, but instead of local position, I just want the regular position. Instead of local rotation, I want regular rotation to be FBT setup dot tracker head HMD dot position and this rotation. And then parent FBT setup. I can't see my keyboard, that's why I might have some trouble sometimes. Not transform, I just want not parent. I thought I heard something. Dot parent equals FBT setup dot tracker head achievement. I'm wondering if this would work. So do everything regularly, and then when everything's done, place the position rotation to where the tracker is currently set, and then parent it immediately. Would that work? Now I'm actually curious. So I'm gonna look this side, and I don't see my screen at the moment, but I know it's booted up. I'm gonna hide Visual Studio. 3, 2, 1, boom. Yeah, I'll take this as a big fat no. That something went horribly wrong. Where's the camera? Camera is being dragged. Okay, so there's something definitely went wrong here. What tracker mode am I using? General tracker. It's I set the tracker mode. But dang it, that explains why it's like this. That my tracker is up there. HMD. All right, let's boot it up again. All right, let's see. 3, 2, 1, boot up. Come on, I'm gonna look on this side first. Well, that workaround worked. That seems to have worked pretty well, actually. Like crooked? Yep, okay, workaround worked. Yep, that seems to have worked. Alright, that's a win. First win tonight. Fixed the head tracking issue. Good. Performance is not much of an issue too much, but I know right now, where are the graphic settings right now? There's like ultra. I think I set by default to high. Quality. Yeah, by default it's set to high, but if you're set to very low, like that'd be the max performance. And you could like turn off some of the effects too. Like medium gives the shadows. And then ultra best shadows gives like the highest red shadows. Like it's the same as ultra, but it makes the shadow distance like the third of the original length. Which by doing so increases the shadow res by like 3. I'm just also looking at my stream preview, see if it's lagging. It's lagging a little bit, probably because it's the editor. But yeah, so by default it's set to high, but Android it's set to medium for some reason, even though you're not gonna run this on Android. So that is done. And that does work. The setup works. Now I want to see for the controllers. Right now I'm using a tracked object here to track the HMD. For the controllers, I think it uses behavior poles, right? Yeah. I'm wondering if there's like an option for like overlay. Okay, it's a bit problematic when you're in the Steam VR menu and it I don't know. This is an interesting problem mini. But yeah, I don't know if it's fixable. Maybe if I were to go in like Steam VR inputs, the pose. Yeah, I don't think there's a way. Advanced settings? Okay, no. I don't think there's a way, unfortunately. Oh boy. That's a little problematic. I wonder if there's a way to detect if you're in the Steam VR menu or not. Let me do some Google searches. You need the Steam VR Steam VR. Detect if in Steam VR menu. No. Huh. Maybe you keep collecting. API level documentation, let me check. Steam review, no. That's not what I want. Well, feel. I don't know where my mic is, so I might like actually hit it by accident. Which I don't want to, of course. Can we start? Jesus, there's so many. Oh, that'd be efficient for the zero another cluster. No. What idea is that? Where to get a dashboard? Dash board. No. Overlay. Okay, there's a couple of overlay things. Like that's the thing with like this TVR documentation. Like I'm looking right now, you're not seeing it right now. But the thing with the TVR documentation is that it's like completely, it's kind of trash. Like it's very detailed, but not in a way that you can understand. It's like it's very detailed, but it does not explain what everything does. It just says, all right, there's a function that's named that. And it has these parameters, and it has this return value. That's it. There's not really any information on what each function does, and there's like so many of them. Like really. Like let me quickly just show. Like this is what I'm looking at right now. Like functions on top of functions with parameters, with names, with return values and everything, but nothing says what it does and how you're supposed to use it. It's like stupid. It's like collision bound style. All right, there's these ones. All right, what am I supposed to do with these? This. What am I supposed to do with these? Like it is a sort of like CVR system. Alright, transformation and computer distortion. Yeah. But what am I supposed to do with these? There's like so many. Like, holy crap. What am I supposed to do with all of that? Like, bruh. There's so many of them. I don't understand a single thing on how it works. All I want is to see if I can detect the dashboard or not, but I guess I won't find it here. It is kind of a dead cause right now. So what key am I pressing right now? Wrong keys. That explains it. Okay. Get out of full screen. I don't think I'm gonna find it. Yeah, that's a lot of data. An absolute buttload of data. But yeah, I guess for now I can just go back to Unity and try what else could I try to implement? I mean, I could start a tutorial maybe. Or I could make the logo for it. I wonder. I wonder. I need to quickly get off of the gesture. There you go. Alright. Actually, like, I could potentially make a logo for it. Which would not be too bad. And I opened up Blender. Great. I don't think I'm gonna need Blender for this. It's just gonna be a static logo. Or I could start like it's either that or I make the tutorial. Like if anyone in chat wants to propose, like, would you want to see logo for the VR webcam? Remember, I have an hour left. Either I can try to make the full logo tonight in 1 hour, or I can start making the tutorial, which I probably won't have time to actually finish. If you're in the chat, propose. Could potentially make a poll for it. I think it'll be easier. There you go and start a poll. Beach. Pre-measure. Nice poll. Poll. What? I can't even type with a headset on my face. That for the final hour. Start making the tutorial. VRA Webcam logo. I'll run it like 3 minutes. Alright. There's a little poll. It should be above the chat. You're gonna see what for the final hour. You open that and you can vote. What do you want to see? Do you want to see me start making a tutorial, or do you want to see me make the logo? Let me swap back to your good old burb. Also, this is not straight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna be going in general. Set this to be tracker. This. Bam. Cheat code for now, because I suck at making webcams. What did you do? There we go. I was looking at the stream. Okay, well, as I said, there's a poll running. So, feel free to check out the chat and take it out. I want to hear your opinion. What do you want to see? So, alright. Let me open up Unity again. Because yeah, with all the testing I've done, I don't think I'll have time for any big things. But yeah. Either the logo or it's gonna be the starting at least the tutorial. Come on. No votes yet. Halfway there. Should have time to what, like around a minute and a half. I see all 5 viewers, you're there. When they start lurking. I see you there. Don't lie to me. Got me shoes. And Burb needs help. I'm never good with choices. That's why I'm making polls. For the community vote and around like 45 seconds left. Come on, peeps. Right. But, yeah, I really don't know. But there's then 3 seconds left. Final push for at least 1 vote. Man. And it seems like there will be... Oh, there's 1 vote! That came in last second. Alright. To whoever voted, thank you very much for saving the day. And it seems we're gonna be making the logo. Alright. So let me open up Designer. If I can even type. Designer, alright. Let's go see what I can do for this. Man, it's so cool to have like the webcam in an actual like working form. Without much performance hit. That'd be good. Alright, so I can pop this back on Affinity Designer. Affinity Design, why do you never get recognized? Here you go. Alright, so in terms of the logo, that will be some kind of like little logo that appears at the intro of maybe the tutorial or something. So I had like the idea like in terms of the font to use. Like the VRA Webcam always used the correct right font. Well, I'm wondering. Let me quickly see if I go to new and let me create a new document of like 2048 by 1024. Very good. Like so, logo itself. Let me bring up the font. Probably gonna need the other software, so photo for this. It wasn't there that I did the other things. I can actually copy this whole thing here. And yeah, I was like, well, hello.
Yeah, I'm about to hop back to my PC, so turn your volume down if it would be loud.
Thank you for the notice. It's done. You can go back to your PC safely now. Hello.
Ow.
Hi. Alright, so this is the font. That's how I'm using for the VRA webcam. That's what I'm used to use. Like initially, it used to say like after research project, but that was for the portfolio. But now it is for that. I'm gonna use it as the VRA webcam.
Ah.
If I can type properly, because I'm currently in my headset and working from within headset.
From within. Oh my gosh.
I mean, I have to do tests earlier. Alright, and what's the style on this? So there's an outline. Right, I can just times 3 this. And this times 3. Alright. So that's gonna be the main idea. That's gonna be too big though. Okay, let me try to do. Yeah, that seems a bit more reasonable. Okay, let's see if I can make it a bit more fancy than this. Or like improve on it. Like maybe with another font or something? I don't know. Like I'm so used to actually see the VRA webcam logo like this. I actually don't know. I guess change is scary, huh?
Yep.
Let's see if I can come up with something. Also, that's not the right song. I forgot to remove that from the playlist. Hey, usually I play it in VLC, but I forgot to remove it, so it plays again. My start of stream songs. Oops. Right, so let's see what I can do with this. I could potentially find a font on Google Font. HTTP account invite with you 18 stream VC. Yeah, because I encountered some issues in the past with stream VCs, and thank you so much for the Prime sub. You know.
It's.
It's the woofer, but
The
yes,
woof woof.
and like unfortunately I'm not in stream VC. I mean a VC with blackout, like private VC. I mean I could make a group VC if you want to join in.
Hey, roommates!
Alright, well, hold on a second then. Where the heck are you on my list?
I kind of.
There goes, there it goes.
There we go!
There it
Hello.
goes.
Hello!
Yeah!
Oh, Michael's connecting.
Connecting. I saw you in the chat, so my guess was like, yeah, let's make a group DM.
Hello! Hello!
It is such a this day.
Hello.
Okay. can I turn off everything so that I don't hear Mike's beautiful voice 3 times because I have.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
When you like the voice of your favorite streamer too much.
Oh god. Am I better? Am I good?
I wonder, this. Is it better?
I think so. I don't get to hear your beautiful voice 3 times lapping. Blackout's voice is just God sent from heaven. Oh god.
Hey, what? Excuse me?
A God sent from heaven. You hear that from me, Blackout.
Okay, this. Hold up. This just made me want to go.
Okay. There you go, that's a big
A little
old
loud.
ring.
That's how I go, big ol' re. Hold up. I can't read like that. I'm a dog. I go woof. I go woof woof woof. Woof woof.
Woof woof.
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 No. Mike, you've insulted me for the last time. I will not take this banter. This offense. I will not take it. Not anymore. Not anymore, I swear.
Okay, let's get back on topic.
Yeah.
Yeah, go back on pocket.
on tacos.
Topic.
Go back on tacos.
How's your chat? Let me see.
Empty.
How's your chat? Empty?
Very empty.
Where's the views?
It's a ghost town in the chat.
Dumb. You know what? No. You know what? Your viewers are not dumb. They're intellectuals. But they're very few and far between. You know what? That's why. They're so intellectual. They don't need the chat. They telecommunicate. Through
But
like
how do we know what they say?
You know, I wanted to say a few words, Mike, right? So, like, I'm in VRChat, right? And so I have my partner in the stream camera, right, in Discord. We're chatting, and I'm also with a friend, right? Hopefully you saw the beautiful invite reply, right? When you requested an invite.
Yes.
God knows why. God knows why you requested an invite. But so this is the beautiful of beautifuls, right? So I'm telling my story, right? Like a good lad, right? You know me. I'm the story guy. I'm the funny. I'm not that funny. Maybe mediocrely funny. I'm kind of there, you know. But I can tell stories. No, I will not degrade myself to that. I talked to my therapist. My therapist told me I shouldn't degrade myself that much, right?
Fair enough.
Anyways, right? I don't have a therapist. Anyways, right? So I'm talking to my friend, right? I haven't seen him in forever. He just came back from the military, right? So ecstatic, right? I see your message, right? I see you trying to invite me. And my immediate reaction was HE double hockey sticks. Sugar honey iced tea. Why now? Out of every time.
Bruh.
Every other time. You could invite me.
Okay, you want to know the context, right?
Go ahead. Tell me the context.
So, on stream, right now I'm doing the VRA Webcam dev stream. And I was doing some performance tests for the webcam because I've implemented a full-on VR mode with the webcam. Like, you see my webcam right now?
Yeah.
Well, if I go in my settings of the webcam, if I go to but it's gonna be in desk settings. No, not that's gonna be general for now. I've got right now the VR headset seated. Usually it's tracker, but right now it's on the table, so it's like right there. But I can also go.
Yeah.
I can also go on full VR mode. So pick up my controllers. Bang. I'm in full VR now. Oh, and my headset's staying.
Oh.
Thank God, mine goes on the cable. There you go. So now I'm in full on VR mode. And
yeah.
I wanted to test out performance in some games, because last time I tried Saber I got some performance issues, which can be just like summarized as it's a Pimax issue. But yeah, so I went in not just Saber this time. I went with the good performance mode, which is the native res for some reason. Oh, skilled. And I tried a couple games. I tried Beat Saber, I tried Derail Valley, and then I tried VRChat because I felt like people would be like, usually on streams they use the Steam VR mirror as the actual game footage, and then the VRChat window as the webcam transparent. But that causes issues where you can actually see the desktop of the user if they go look at it, which can cause issues depending on what's on the screens or not. So if you have some sensitive information by accident there, you're screwed. With this, it would solve that issue technically.
Yes.
And yeah, it was
Okay,
like,
so you just wanted to say hi. You know what? Thank you, Mike. Thank you. Out of everyone who you could have said hi to, you chose me. And I went and said, not now. That is exactly what I said.
denied.
I said, denied. I saw the options of accept your invite or not, and I was like, person I could see at any time I want and invade the stream of, person who I can only see for 4 more days. I'm sorry, Mike. I have to choose the latter. I have to. I hope you understand. I'm sorry, Mike. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. I know I betrayed your trust. I betrayed our friendship.
Let's.
No, it's fine, blackout. Yeah,
Let's go.
they've got one answer
Yeah.
then.
Go ahead.
No, I'm just kidding.
Continue your thing.
It's fully understandable.
Understandable.
Yeah.
It's fully understandable. But yeah, so that's why it's
Run.
been a while, and I had the chance to actually go to VRChat for once.
Yep.
Alright, let me go back to
Okay, let's see what you're doing.
seated mode. There we go. And right now I'm actually like working on full, like with my headset on, because it's just a bit easier for me right now. And I'm gonna do some lag spikes here, so I might have to restart the webcam. I don't know why I'm gonna do some lag spikes now. Sometimes I encounter that, and probably a Pimax issue again, I swear. Okay, and I'm still going with the lag spikes, okay, I don't know why. It's a Pimax issue, 100%. 100% is Pimax. But yeah, so right now I was actually trying to make the logo for the VRA Webcam itself.
What would the logo be?
So of course it would say VRA Webcam, but yeah, I kind of want to change the font a little bit, change it around. So let me restart VR Toolkit because it what? There. Not VRChat, don't want to boot that, I want to boot up VR Toolkit, bang. Put this aside. Come on over here, there you go. No lag, alright, so it was an OVR toolkit issue. Okay, so my idea was to use some kind of grid system here. I'm trying to set up currently. not see the other symbols? Okay. Okay, so the other ones don't want to work as I want. I don't know what mode to use. That's not what I want. It played the same song twice. Oh, okay. Please next for now. Thank you. Oblique maybe? No. Does not look right. Trying to take right. Triangular. That's not triangular. 2-1 triangular. Where's the difference? Oh, I think this is kind of squeezed. 2 axes goes. Okay, that makes sense. Alright, good. So I kind of want them to be quite vertical. So it would be like 90. Okay, so 7. 100, 90, 87. Too steep. I don't know if it's too steep, but I guess I'll see. Horizontal axes, add for snapping. Okay, let's see what I can do with this. Can I not snap to grid? Okay, grid does not have horizontal snap. Let me try and modify that. That's not grid, that's guides. Grids. There you go. It does not want to show for some reason. Like that angle does not want to show. That's weird. Huh. Very weird. I guess I have to do with it, huh? That was too far. Already there, this goes down there somewhere. Goes there. Big font. Big. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's actually quite wide. And it's like 2 width as well, oh dear. That's gonna be a very thick. A very thick R. I need to go over there though. I go here. Bang. That's not the line, that's the alignment. Verb. Don't really like that R. Not gonna lie, not really like it. I can place this here. Delete that. You like that? Oh god, I'm hitting my mic now. Oh dear. So VR is gonna be the inverse of the V. This is too big spacing. Maybe if I did the A like especially like a fancy one, just different from all the other letters. I don't know. Now this is correct, but this is not. This needs to be higher. This breaks out design conventions. Let's see if I cannot like bring this back to the original width. It just looks weird. I guess it's pretty fine. Still don't like the spacing here. This whole thing needs to be made. Maybe, just maybe, I can manage to fit it in. this. Oh, now this looks weird again. Like, the closer I bring it, the weirder it looks, and then the more I fix the art, the weirder it looks again. Like, it's like the closer I get it, the better the spacing, but then the weirder the art needs to look, and then the more I fix the art, the weirder it looks. That is such a dilemma, it sucks. That looks decent, not this. I might need to actually, you know what, I'm gonna try to lower this. That way this can be made bigger. Not too bad now. Now let's see for the W. This can be a very fancy logo, huh?
A little too fancy, in my opinion.
Yes.
It's never fancy enough.
A little too fancy.
I'm still honestly tempted to just keep the old one.
I blacked out. What's this logo about?
What's the logo about? It's for the webcam. Like I'm doing some designing, I guess.
Low webcam.
Yeah, the thing is, like, I would take longer to design a logo, but with 1 hour left to the stream, because I'm on location again tomorrow. Yay! I have to make it a bit faster than I would like to.
I'm gonna go ahead and bring my playback downstairs so BRB.
Alright. Yeah, that could be a bit too fancy. I don't know. There you go. I'm just tempted to keep the old one. Because I only have the time to make like blocky shapes. Really, I don't have the time to make like some intricate shapes. For the time I have. Could also just use a like Google font. Instead. Potentially do that. Let me quickly just, I guess, look on Google Fonts, what's available. Who knows, maybe there's gonna be something that's gonna work out pretty decent. Alright.
Oh, okay, I'm back online. Look at this.
You're back online.
My quest died. So you went mute and everyone went mute and I died. And someone wanted to invite me to something, but I guess I won't see them.
Oof. You're stuck with the verbs now.
Yeah. From my viewpoint, there is a bird on my left and there's a bird in my right. I'm sandwiched in between birds.
On my viewpoint, it's the exact same riddle. Like, top left is B, top right is blackout, and underneath it's you.
It's almost like it's stating that wolves are worse than birds. Can't be.
Rise up, burbs.
I can't let that happen. It's not superior than that. VRA Webcam. That looks cool.
Yeah, I mean that's the old quote logo. And I'm trying to find a font for it. Because I don't have the time to make intricate fonts. And the font you're seeing here is actually Product Flight font, so my bird game is the font for that one. So I'm not. I don't want to reuse it. I mean, did I reuse that font in some other project? I mean, I'm not sure. Did I use it in some other project? I mean, I used it for my logo, for the Mike the Bird logo, but that's not like. I guess that's like the one exception. But any other project, I'm using some other fonts, either Google fonts or it's like custom drawn. So here I could potentially just use a Google font. Oh, you know what is gonna work? You know the best font to actually use. There's nothing better than this font. When you first start, it's able to go in. There's literally nothing better than this font. Bang.
Oh God.
Nothing better than this font.
Wow, that looks like a masterpiece. Actually, you should change it. That should be your new. That should be your new. You know. Webcam.
Yes, I agree. Change all the branding to this font.
Yeah, change all the branding to that. It'd be great. You will earn the top money. You'll be in trending as fast as possible if you use that font.
Yes. Flippin' Comic Sans.
You want to know something that I haven't gone to doing? I want to give $500 worth of gift subs to a streamer. I just want to do it, just to any random streamer. Actually, I have a very specific streamer in mind. That's up to only me to know. I want to do it. I want to save up. Yeah.
And do a massive gift stuff bomb.
Yes. I want the reactions to be flabbergasted.
Pretty curious on who you're gonna drop that bomb on. I guess we shall know when you're
We
actually gonna
shall
do
find
it.
out. Yeah.
Alright.
Back.
Ah, welcome back.
Welcome back, Bird. A jolly green day when you're around. Blackout.
Oh. How sweet.
I'm just.
I feel that.
You feel loved? I am just so overwhelmed with, like, positive energy. It's better than the couple days where I started cursing people out. Except for you, Mike. Actually, no, that's a lie. I cursed you out in the morning when you invited me to VRChat. We don't talk about that.
We don't talk about that.
You denied me. How dare you?
Had to be done.
That deserves a ban from the server. Just kidding.
But you, Blackout. You, specifically you. You're the golden child. You know what? I am proud of you. You are loved. Just shower you with positivity until you start having, like, convulsions. Oh, positivity overdose.
Careful, you're gonna kill the blackout.
Oh no.
Oh god.
Good job.
I
You
tend
made,
to like move away from my microphone so I don't blow anyone's ears.
you made the volley free.
Thank you, Blackout.
Navali, I'm a
Really
Chipori. But I'm also a Navali, so that counts.
Taporia, Volley, same thing. You have Blackout Wolf in your name, so you're also a wolf. Words are words. Kind of lives in.
Chivali.
Do you see Chavali? I see Wolf. I see.
Like,
I see. I
like-
see KFC.
like, what if you like mix Navali and Chipori together? Chivali.
Chivali. Well, another pori.
Oh no, I'm picking my nails. My nails are so clean. Why the hell did I chip? No, please. I'll never hurt you again. Just don't crack. No. I'm scared.
Why are you doing that?
What?
Stop.
Gonna have to file them down.
Yeah, I always have a nail file around my bag.
I stopped biting my nails recently. Like, I made it a commitment to not bite my nails. Actually, I haven't had a reason to, so I haven't been stressed to bite my nails. But they just cracked, and that angers me. And that might make me bite my nails, so I'm gonna have to file them so they're perfect again.
F.
F.
Okay, I also got the tendency to bite my nails.
Same.
Same, guys. Oh my god, we're so...
We're disgusting!
I was gonna say we're like total like vibes. We're like total moods. We're so in sync. But I guess we're also disgusting.
Disgusting.
Where's my nail filer?
Yes, we
Oh.
are.
Life is going to hell.
Like, I'd hand you my nail filer so you would be able to file our nails.
Oh, I live in blank. Please, give to blank. I'm not giving my address in stream. In DM, I'll DM you, bro. I'll
No,
DM you.
don't. It's bad, don't.
DM's fine, but stream's not, but DM's fine.
DMs are fine. Now, you know what? Mike, I think he doesn't appreciate my kindness anymore. He went and told me that to not DM him. God, it's okay. It's okay. I understand how you feel. Okay. I love you either way. Blackout. And Mike. Nail filer, oh my god! Oh, a short story. I keep saying short story, but like, I always have big, long stories. I'll keep it short.
And every time you say it, it's like Michael has a story. Everyone. Ah shit, here we go again.
Yeah, it really is. No, but I promise. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna say title. I'm gonna put a hook. Michael rips jeans in work.
What? Okay, now I'm interested. Now I give you permission to count your story. No question, any blackout.
Oh, file.
Okay, let's just get back on topic.
I gave permission, blackout.
Yeah. So at work, right? I was in customer service, you know, like that. Hello, welcome to Bullseye. How can I help you? Would you like to, that sort of thing? And while in that sort of thing, I was like, let me do some yoga poses. So I started doing yoga poses. And so our uniform has to have denim jeans. So as I'm doing a yoga pose, specifically warrior, there's a crew member, right? There's a coworker right next to me. And as I do the yoga pose, I hear a I am in total shock, and my coworker looks away. She is a she, right? I am a he, right? So when she looks away, I look, and it's because my jeans ripped from the top of my, to about a quarter of my leg, right? So like right between my thigh, and I'm like, oh my god. I am in total shock. And we are all in total shock. So I go to my boss and I'm like, hey boss, can I get a pair of jeans? And he tells me that I have to buy them. So I spent $30 today on jeans. That is the end of my story. That is the shortest story I have ever told. Thank you.
What an interesting. It's like, oops, I broke my jeans at work. Ah, damn it! Now I have to buy jeans. It was a shop, right? It was a shop, right?
It was a very big shock.
Okay,
I felt embarrassed.
So you had to buy jeans at the shop you worked at.
Yeah, I had to buy jeans at Bullseye.
Ain't that the most shop clerk thing to do? You break something, and that's important, so you just buy it from the store to replace it while at work.
You know what's the funnier thing, and you know what's so sad? I got so worried that the adult jeans wouldn't fit me that I had to look at the kids' jeans. I had to go to the kids section.
Oh my god.
I have never felt so ashamed in my life. Thankfully,
Oh, no.
Man, I was close. I was contemplating it.
Lucky. Jeez, that's so unlucky. Hey, Dev! Hello, in the chat.
Hello.
Man, I love that pat pat emote.
Yeah,
I'm so
that
proud of it.
emote is beautiful.
Hey, the wavy one.
I'm doing fine. How are you, Devin?
Hi, Dev.
Ew.
Dev.
Steve?
Dev, hopefully you're doing good.
Yes. Is this the most calmest you've ever seen me, Mike? I feel like it is. I
Sound
haven't.
calm indeed, yeah.
It's almost psychopath energy. Almost like I just murdered someone. I'm like, damn, cat Pimax. You should get those cleaned. You know, from almost doctor to Twitch watcher. You should get those claws cleaned, those markings cleaned if they're fresh. You shouldn't keep fresh cuts from a cat on your skin without soap and water.
That makes sense.
Yes, that is medical Michael advice. Except it's not medical because I'm not a doctor. Not yet. Not yet.
Logo progress so far, I kinda like it.
Yeah. What was the cat thing? It was cat scratch fever. I think that was the name of the disease. Anyways, that's good. That's good that you're all right, Evan. Hmm.
Good.
You're all right. Tuesdays, am I right? Hmm.
Tomorrow's gonna be Wednesday.
Wednesday, my dude. I'm not screaming. I don't feel like I want to scream anymore. My scream meter is up. That's it.
Scream meter 0.
Yeah.
-5.
Yep. Right now it's chill, Michael. Until I get my daily dose of explicit drugs here.
Hello, and this is your daily dose of whatever that was.
Whatever that was.
Exactly, Dev.
Daily dose of stories.
Exactly. I wanted to remix it to something else, but just couldn't find it.
Who out of the three of us would think that they could make the best daily dose of internet impression?
Hello,
feel
this
like
is your
that-
daily dose of internet.
Let me try.
Let's see.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
That sounds close.
That sounds close.
I guess.
Ow!
Blackout
I-
would be the one. And
I'm like a voice actor at random. Like what the heck?
Hello, everyone, and this is your daily dose of internet.
Hello, everybody, and this is your daily dose of internet. It's not the same thing. Especially when I'm calm like this.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
Jesus, that's so close.
How the heck? How?
You should host a daily dose of internet blackout. I think that would be a very good career.
I might, or maybe like if he retires from his channel, then I could take over.
Yeah, take over. You know what? Just like I hijack Mike streams, you should hijack Daily Dose of Internet. You should just do it. Just go with it.
Oh my god!
Listen,
Do
from
it.
one hijacker to another.
Do it!
Do it.
I refuse.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
I wanna say I wanna like just go close to the mic and just do like the thing for funnies, but no.
I mean, I'm about to start streaming like 5 minutes, but
Basically, I'm not gonna hijack, so no.
How would we all react if, like, let's say Mike, right? What if one of your things came up for like the Daily Dose of Internet? Like we watched something and all of a sudden a clip from you just popped into a Daily Dose of Internet. How would he feel, Mike?
no.
I know, right, Dev? Like, imagine not having me in the stream. Like, it feels almost like I'm missing out just by not hijacking. Like, it is my serotonin to hijack Mike's stream. It just has to happen. I can't. It's in my nature. So you're very correct. Kind of mid, to be honest. Kind of mid. Oh, that perfect.
Wait, how is it still snapping? What the heck? Okay, anyway. I'll get this like that. There we go. Yeah.
Oh, that's alright. Kitty bird.
Yes.
Burp.
A burp. Right. Attempting a logo design here.
Like, short story, like every time I'm on VRChat, every time I see somebody like in a bird avatar, I was like burp 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 burp. Just I don't know
Yes,
why.
you are.
I don't know why, but it's just a habit.
Verbs are such majestic. You don't have to question it because I understand. As a wolf, I understand. Oh,
Wait, what
Mike, no, yeah. What happened? What happened?
I thought I didn't have crisp turned on, but now it's on.
Oh,
Oven.
so like, talking about. I didn't tell you, Mike, but I know. I tell you everything, you know. But like, I went to a convention with some people. I got invited to a convention a couple of days ago. So I go to it, and you know what? I am the proud owner of a tail. I have ascended beyond.
Ooh, you have a tail now.
You have a
I have
tail.
I have a tail. I have ascended. I am beyond you mortals. I have ascended a plane to furriness. I am one step closer to being a true degenerate.
Ooh,
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
I'm curious to see.
I should show.
Like, did you get it from like one of the dealers?
Vendors?
The vendors?
Yeah. Yeah. I have a tail and I have paws. And I have to make a Sona based on those things.
Okay, so it's not the same colors as your actual Sona.
No. But it's cool. Also, $600 more. Dude, I only have to pay off $600 more.
I mean, it's decent for the price. Like, what are the other prices actually? I should probably check after stream. Like, there's not much time left to the stream. I want to see if I can complete the logo first,
Go ahead.
and then after that
No,
we
the
can
tail
talk off
cost.
stream too.
Yeah, of course. The tail costed $100 though. The tail and they each costed 100. It's a pretty long tail, though. Pretty lit.
It's fucking expensive.
Is it?
Expensive.
Yes, it's very big and fluffy, Bev. It's actually like it touches the floor a tad bit. If I walk upstairs, it touches the floor. The stairs. So yeah, it's pretty big, and it's very fluffy. I also got. I finally got. I kept mentioning it outside, but I wanted blueberry cologne, and I finally am the proud owner of two bottles of it. I have blueberry cologne.
Ooh,
Oh, nice. Fancy.
I can smell
Fancy.
like blueberries. I can smell like blueberries now.
Fancy.
Very fancy.
Fancy.
But yeah, $600 more until I complete my little secret project.
Fancy.
I feel like the first person who I would probably send pictures, well, probably my partner, but well, who's the next person who I would show the work in progress in my suit? I think it would be you, Mike. It's probably you. It's you and that'd be fun. That'd be fun. I'll be the first person to have a fursuit in this 3 group. Oh yeah. I'll finally have something that you do not have. All you have is your Pimax and your full body tracking.
I can vision view, but I'll let you know that actually, fun fact, I too have some kind of part. I mean it's broken now, but I have made myself a tail at one point. Because I was bored. And I had some spare parts from my workplace. And I conveniently just took.
And I already saw the tail.
Like, it's literally just
It is
like-
a monster of a tail, Dev.
like my tail that I have is actually just, let's just say, a piece of like of plywood that I've attached, then 3 feathers, the center and left, right, and those feathers are like those colored like papers, a bit more rigid and everything, that is hot glued to some kind of copper wire, that like one of those rigid rods that it can bend easily, and that is hot glued onto the back plate, which I can then slip in my pants, and there you go, got a tail.
Oh.
Big brain. That is big brain move.
It is.
Tail go wiggle.
Okay, I need to put this in front. Let's put it there. Okay. I put the wrong thing. Put the whole thing now. There.
Make it look fancy.
It's a fancy logo. I wonder what happens if I combine everything together. Let me see. Well, yeah. Okay, nothing good.
Like if we like just spoke in a British accent, just go, too fancy.
It crashed.
No!
Oh no!
No!
Is the recovery file?
Is there a recovery file?
You better, I don't care. No. But I think recovery file. Yes. Hey. Not too bad. Not too bad. Lucky it saved right before I tried to murder. Okay, so I saved it now. So if I try to, like... Is it because I have like a double stroke that it just does not know what to do and you just crash? Expand. Okay, now I knew what to do. Okay, so... I guess it's because I tried to do multiple ones. Expand stroke. And then this, expand stroke. And also this one, that's gonna be the first one, expand stroke. Did it expand or did it not? I don't even know. Expand. It does nothing, good. Well then, if I select multiple ones, expand. Okay, it's when I select multiple ones and try to expand everything, it crashes.
Oh my gosh.
But yeah, I mean the logo looks fine so far. At least. But at the time it is, I'm probably gonna have to end the stream, unfortunately.
What the heck?
What am I
was that?
pressing? Oh!
What?
I entered my soundboard by accident somehow.
Bruh.
I'm on Pimax, I don't see my thing, alright? But yeah, at least some progress was made today. There was some testing done. Testing done. And there's like full body thing and everything. If I quickly go to general and set it to bam VR mode. That's super nice. Bang. Just have the controllers like that. Super nice.
It's laggy. On Discord.
It's your end. For me, it's perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. It's your end. Good job, Blackout. But for now, I'm gonna have to end the stream, unfortunately. So let me play the and the
I will
song.
send you to Jesus.
And I guess I'll go to Jesus too. For this.
Alright. Demi literally just play the audio. I was sent it to Jesus.
Yes, we heard all of it. Yes. But yeah, I'm gonna end the stream, and yet you can see the webcam like works super good. And I'm like, it works well. So yeah, let me go and see who to raid. Hopefully it's on the right like deck thing. 1, 2, 3 to be this one. There we go. Okay, it worked. All right, let's go see who to raid now.
Wait, you don't have the sound that just goes emotional damage.
I don't have it, no. I know. But I did prefer just Jesus, but I don't have space for emotional damage, unfortunately. But it's you right now. Oh boy, there's not many people. Let's, I guess, go see we could go see someone new, potentially. Oh yeah, let's go see someone new.
See.
They're called, Bipolar Wolfie.
Oh, I know him.
Doing some art. So yeah, don't forget, as per usual, in the chat, put in the good old usual squawk. Raid message. The squawk. And damn it, I have to do iced tea right before the raid. Speedrun iced tea. Speedrun iced tea. Oh boy. Speaker nice before the raid starts. Silence, please. Right.
Well, that was fast.
And I will see you all on Friday for some Hyperbolica. So join my Discord server to participate in a poll saying, do you want to see me play it like the 2D internet mode or the VR mode? I'll be waiting for the answers in the poll in the announcements. So yeah, Hyperbolica this Friday for sure. But in the meantime, stay safe and I will see you soon. See ya, peeps!
Peeps.